So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial, where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you a best method to fix issues of the game lags on your iPhone, especially the PUBG Mobile or any game that you want to use. After the iOS 26 update, you might have been seeing some game lag issues. Now in order to fix it, just simply open the settings of your iPhone. In the settings, scroll down and go to this option of battery. Once you go in the battery, here you'll see this option of power mode. Here just simply click over there, and here you'll see this option, the adaptive power. Simply turn this option off. What it does, it tracks your data of battery consumption, and if it sees that your battery is consuming more, it throttles the performance, decrease the performance of your processor to save the battery, but that results in the game lag issue on your iPhone. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.